we are going to review top 5 best heavy-duty blender for home use. List number 1. Vitamix V-Mon 197 Exploring Blender. Variable speed control. 10 variable speeds allow you to refine every texture with culinary precision, from the smoothest purees to the heartiest soups. Layer coarse chops over smooth purees for heartier recipes, such as chunky salsas or thick vegetable soups. The 48-ounce container is ideal for blending medium batches for small family meals. Cutting blades measuring 3-inch diameter to ensure a consistent blend every time. Electrical ratings 120V. Our aircraft-grade stainless steel blades are designed to handle the toughest ingredients, so from the first blend to the last. List number 2. Ninja BL610 Professional 72 Oz Countertop Blender. The 72 Oz Professional Blender Pitcher is excellent for making frozen drinks and creamy smoothies for the entire family. 64 Oz. Max liquid capacity. Total crushing technology delivers unbeatable power with blades that pulverize and crush through ice, whole fruits, and vegetables in seconds. Blast ice into snow in seconds and blend your favorite ingredients into delicious resort-style frozen drinks. The included recipe guide provides drink and dish-making inspiration. List number 3. Ninja Ounce 493 BRN Compact Kitchen System. Stacked blade assembly and high-performance Pro Extractor Blades assembly powers through frozen ingredients and ice with ease. Includes a 5-cup precision processor bowl, chopping and dough blade assembly for added versatility and functionality. Blender, ice crusher, and food processor combined that utilizes 1200 watts of performance power to truly customize your drink-making experience. List number 4. Cuisinart CBT 2000 3.5 Peak Hurricane Pro Blender. Cuisinart introduces its most powerful blender ever. The Hurricane Pro has a commercially rated 3.5 peak HP motor and professional features that let it outperform every blender in its class. Innovative BlendLogix technology ensures consistent blending speeds regardless of density or volume of ingredients and lets users adjust preset times, then remembers the new settings. A variable speed control, 3,000 to 25,000 RPM, a 30,000 RPM turbo burst feature, and the 6-pronged stainless steel blade ensure everything. List number 5. KitchenAid KS-Bone 1575 RI 5-Speed Diamond Blender. The diamond blending system ensures that all ingredients blend together quickly and efficiently. The IntelliSpeed motor controls senses contents and maintains optimal speed to power through all ingredients. Stir, chop, mix, puree, or liquefy. Pulse mode works with all speeds for staggered blending. The 60 Oz BPA-free patented diamond pitcher design is shatter, scratch, and stain resistant and is dishwasher safe for easy cleanup.